Good afternoon, all of you. I'm sure you had an exhaustive session since morning, so we'll keep it very brief, okay? And I would like to take more questions from your end, okay? So I teach polity and governance at times, predominantly polity, okay? So related to this workshop is organized, okay? Make you more familiar with the process and provide certain insights from the experience, okay? So basic thing which almost that has to be communicated at the onset, okay? Related to polity and governance, okay? Over this year, the question that was asked this year, okay, was relatively on a lighter side compared to the questions that have been asked from 21, 22 and 23. So in UPSC, I'm sure maybe it has been communicated to you, there is an element of unpredictableness, okay? So this year the question was on a lighter side, but not necessarily that we will take it as a benchmark. We'll take it as a benchmark because UPSC has that very consistent habit of what you call making the question tough on one part or something, making it very surprising at some point of time. So in a competition, you must always be ready for the uncertain. You know that, okay? You must always be ready for the uncertain. Throughout the year, the academic benchmark we have raised this year, keeping in mind the questions that were asked in last 2-3 years, okay? And I don't even need to say because the cutoff reflects the standard of the question paper. If a question paper where the seats are going down, still the cutoff goes down by 20-25 marks, it clearly reflects the question paper. This year, the question was relatively easy. So in polity, what is the psyche of UPSC? We try to get inside by the grace of God, thankfully. This year, most of the questions, or not all, of course, I cannot dare to say, most of the questions or a lot number of questions were actually very easy and predictable. Okay, predictable, literally predictable, which has been mentioned repeated times that they will be asking a question on delimitation and all because the new parliament has been constructed and all. So questions were asked. What has been the change over the period of time and what is the requirement? Because in a short span of time, I have to make this more productive so that you take home something which will be valuable. Okay. You have already been bombarded with information and so many suggestions, so I don't want to make it more comprehensive. Okay, matlab unnecessarily. But few basic things are there that the examination is not tough. Okay. It is actually very bulky. Okay, it is actually very bulky. So you will not find, if you go through the question paper, you will not find a question in IIT or in CAT examination. If you will see 100 questions, sorry, if you make 33 questions correct, then that will translate into 99 percentile. Or in IIT, if you make 20 questions correct in a section, then you may get top rank. But here, what is the thing? The questions are not tough. Questions are easy, but the syllabus is so vast. The syllabus is so vast that if you don't start early, you are, that is going to be detrimental. So honestly speaking, I'm teaching from 2016, literally minimum I can, with all humility, I can say 35-40,000 minimum. I can say that it is about consistency and strategy. It is not about intelligence. Every year I am what you call I am every year I'm reminded by seeing the students in the class who are absolutely medicine graduates, AIMS graduates, IIT graduates, engineering graduates, management graduates. Okay, so not making it and also not making it, and a student who has done his graduation from correspondence. This is an open-ended exam. It is two important things. First, consistency, and second, understanding the demand of exam. The biggest problem with most of the students, okay, is that it takes years to understand the demand of the exam. So keeping everything aside, two things should be there. First, you must understand what is the demand of the exam. This is said often in the class, but ये अक्सर कहा जाता है पर लोग follow नहीं करते हैं. People always say this, but people don't follow. Just sit down. Even in the batches that are going on, I say, okay, it has happened 1 year. Keep every book aside. सब रखिए. Keep that for 1 week. Just understand, or 2-3 days, understand the demand of exam. कि UPSC चाहती क्या है? What is the demand? If you see the question paper, see, there is first thing which is very, very common. UPSC loves doing something that is common sense. Okay. If common sense, agar it is very common to lose common sense, including myself, I'm counting. For example, if they will ask you that, what you call, how will you go to Kashmiri Gate? Okay. A very simple question. So rather than answering in a plain manner, you will think there is something complicated in it and you will not answer in a plain manner. Getting my point? Like, कोई भी question आपसे पूछा जाता है, whenever a question is asked to you, you rather than asking plain, you will answer something where you will think that there must be some intelligence in it, which is not the case. So common sense is absolute prerequisite, and it is purely, I will again say, purely about the what you call common sense and understanding the demand of the examination, that what is the demand. Now I'll come to many things. Okay. So polity and governance, UPSC over the period of time, polity may, maybe you have an idea or not, there is GS in mains part of the examination, GS paper 2. GS paper 2 has polity, it has international relations, it has governance and social justice. Okay. In paper 1, you have society, history and geography. I'm talking about paper 2, that is polity, international relations, social justice and governance. And the syllabus has been so crafted, syllabus को ऐसा बनाया गया कि it is purely scientific. For example, polity is very, very closely related to governance. How the system works, the socio-economic, political and other decisions taken by government, and the verb aspect of government is governance, while polity is the system. And what a civil servant, one of the major tasks of civil servant is to promote social justice. So social justice has also been placed in paper 2, and international relations best fits well in paper 2. So for example, social justice is in paper 2, but society is in paper 1. Social justice is in paper 2, but society is in paper 1 because society is the result of history. Society is the result of history. इसीलिए they have kept it along with history, but social justice is promoted through governance, so they have added in paper 2. Syllabus is very scientific and interdisciplinary. ये तो I am sure you know कि, for example, there is a question on polity. It can be asked in paper 3 also. Finance Commission, very commonly asked in paper 3 also, paper 2 also. So we cannot completely dissect the all 4 papers. Ki paper 2 also has an element of ethics, integrity and aptitude, which is actually paper 4. So you cannot completely dissect. First important thing that you need to do, sabse pehle, okay, that is ki you need to not think too much. Not think too much, because zyada I see in the class and consistently I understand this, it is not an exam of intelligence. First, you have to be consistent throughout the year. Second important thing, you need to have common sense, not think too much. And it is, if you ask me, it is purely about mental agility. You are going through an age of youth where you have emotions, you have power, you have certain insecurities, you have certain issues, personal issues, family. So you have to, UPSC wants those people who are mentally agile. There will be phases in the preparation, ask it AIR 1 or anyone. There will be phases in the preparation where you will be very down and then you will be very confident. Those crest and trough of your emotion has to be balanced. First important thing that they require, कि mentally very agile person, mentally very strong, you need to be very strong and you need to face the thing. Second important thing, कि most of the time I see old here, to chalo we have batches, English, we have so many years batches in old Rajendra Nagar. Students usually start from January. Student usually get serious from January. I see every year, especially for what you call prelims, chalo theek hai, or get serious. So all those people who are working hard from June, they will have an edge over those who start from जनवरी, तो ये बहुत कॉमन है. बिलीव मी, टाइम इज ऑलवेज लेस इन यूपीएससी. Time will always less in UPSC. If you are not working for one day, somebody else is working. At the same time, you don't need to study like mad. You have to chill and all, but you need to start early. So seriousness and common sense is something which is important, or demanding exam, understanding the demand of exam that I am coming. सबसे पहले इफ यू सी प्रिपेयर फॉर एनी एग्जाम, व्हाट विल यू हैव एट योर डिस्पोजल. जब भी आप किसी एग्जाम की तैयारी कीजिएगा, व्हाट इज, इफ यू आस्क मी टू प्रिपेयर फॉर ओलंपिक्स, एनीथिंग, इफ यू आस्क मी टू प्रिपेयर फॉर जापानीज exam or Mandarin, first thing that you should have is sabse pehla, you must understand your enemy. So you must have an understanding. There is not a single candidate who doesn't understand syllabus well. Prelims mein UPSC is not that benign, magnanimous or forthcoming or that comprehensive in detailing out the syllabus. Ekdam syllabus samjho ki aise फेंक दिया, मतलब sorry, मतलब they have just given current issues of national and international importance. So current issues of, there are 193 member states of UN, current issues of national and international importance. We try to from the experience on whatever God has bestowed us, a boundary within which the current affairs is asked. In polity देखा, Indian constitution, political system, panchayati raj, rights issue, etc. Panchayati raj, rights issue, although etc. is a dangerous term. So prelims में they have not detailed out the syllabus. Syllabus उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा detailed out नहीं किया है. But in mains they have detailed out the syllabus. If whoever sets the question paper, जो भी question paper set करता है, he has the syllabus right before him, और every single word that is mentioned in the syllabus, कोशिश करता है कि most of the words in the syllabus he tries is covered. Most of the words, keywords in the syllabus is covered in the question paper, and it is not possible for him to cover because he has limited 20 questions and the syllabus is vast. So in prelims to chalo you will memorize the syllabus, just if there is hardly anything which is there, it is given a very generic, a very broad statement. Means may they have detailed out the syllabus. So as a serious candidate, jo main aksar bolta hu, as a serious candidate you must download the syllabus. Download karenge. Or one thing, if I give you a book on cricket, this is the best book on cricket where you have all the shots, ठीक है, दिल पे ज्यादा नहीं लेना, no need to be too much serious. You have to adopt things in an, I make mistakes, I learn, I have been teaching for 8 years, I learn so many things, thousands and lakhs of things. So आप जो एक्सपीरियंस का प्रोसेस है उसको आप रश नहीं कर सकते. You cannot rush the experience. You will learn only from your failure. There are intelligent people who learn from others' failure, लेकिन others' failure also. You should make less mistakes, but at the same time, it is impossible to say that the best quality of knowledge that is imparted to you, still you will learn from your own failures. So you don't have that thing कि first day I will understand everything. Imagine I give you a book on cricket. If I give you a book on cricket, will you become a good player? All the shots are given in the book. You will become a good player only if you go and play cricket. So many things you will understand during the course of preparation, where the teachers from their experience, they will whatever wisdom they have, you will learn from that. So first thing, to you will download the syllabus. Syllabus में रटना नहीं है. Syllabus में you don't need to memorize कि अब syllabus आ गया, historical underpinnings, Indian Constitution, representation of people act. No. Gradually, gradually one day you will see, 2 day you will see, 3 day you will see. After 6-7 months, gradually you will have an understanding of all the 4 papers of the GS and your optional ethics, integrity, of course paper 4. So आपको धीरे धीरे, then you will read a particular topic in newspaper, you will relate that with the syllabus. So I'm not asking you to memorize the syllabus, but I'm genuinely asking you to download the syllabus in the PDF format, paste at the workstation where you study, and time and again, not in one day, over the period of time, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, when you're going through the newspaper, you will link that topic with the, every single word mentioned in the syllabus is what you call is very serious thing. There can be a question, I can show you, they have directly drafted questions from the key terms that are given in the syllabus. Pressure group दिया हुआ है, वहीं से पूछ देंगे. Representation of people act दिया हुआ है, वहीं से पूछ देंगे. They have directly asked questions which are given detailed out in the syllabus. Okay, so syllabus को important समझना है और रटना नहीं है. You cannot become a good cricketer by learning a book on cricket. You will become a good cricketer when you play cricket. So you don't need to have too much expectation from yourself कि I will understand everything. You will learn gradually. One thing that is there, you will always open the gates of criticism and confidence. Many times in life, for example, I want to buy a furniture. There are 10 ideas that will be coming to me from relatives and friends. I take all the ideas, but I take my decision at the end. Believe me, many a times, thankfully, I have taken decision which is contrary to my family in so many things. And most of the time, I have been proved right. So you must take opinion from others, without a shadow of doubt सबसे सलाह लीजिए, but at the end of the day you must have that strong conviction that what I am thinking is correct. तो अपने पे समझ रहे हैं ना, you must have faith on yourself. That how will you develop that faith? कैसे आपके अंदर once you start knowing more things, जैसे जैसे नॉलेज आती जाएगी फिर आपको अपने पे कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता जाएगा. जैसे you will gain more knowledge, you will see a question, you will immediately solve that question, that will. So you must open the gates of criticism. Test series में क्या observation हो रहा है? At the, if one question somebody has given a bad observation, don't no need to mind. There are so many toppers I see that students who used to get less marked gradually they, if consistently you are given bad observation, then definitely you need to work hard. So you need to have your own. Everybody has their own strategy. You learn from everyone, but it has to be tailor-made, accustomed as per your requirement. So many toppers, they have their own strategy. कोई blindly किसी को copy करके नहीं. You learn from the experiences and the failures of the predecessors, and then you learn that, get that wisdom and acclimatize yourself with respect to that. So syllabus you will go second. Ki when you prepare for an exam, what I will see the history. History is definitely a reflection of tomorrow. History is definitely a reflection of tomorrow. So second most important thing would be previous year's question paper. Ab you will buy a previous year's question paper, or in Vision IAS you will be provided handbook, and in the material also there will be previous year's question paper. You will feel very neglected by yourself if first day if you start seeing them, because if you have not gained knowledge, how will you answer them? So previous year's question paper also has to be gradually taken. When you do a topic, then you do that. Okay, so previous year's question paper is something very important, and believe me, always be ready for the unpredictable. This year the questions were easy. Now the students are jumping with joy. I was taking 2 batches yesterday. I will not take them as benchmark. I saw cutoff is going now. I said to them, इस साल हमने बहुत मेहनत की थी. This year we worked like anything. Why? Because last year the cutoff went 76 and questions were really tough. So this year they have asked easy question. I am not going to take them as a benchmark. I know UPSC next year again they can go back to the same pattern. तो आपको हमेशा unpredictable के लिए तैयार. You have always be ready for the unpredictable and never what you call. So previous year's question paper is very important. I know everybody must have said this to you, but anyways I'm just repeating. अब सुनिए, UPSC wants those students जो बुकिश नहीं है बाबू. मतलब इतने एग्जाम्पल आई कैन गिव यू, सो मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स. मतलब आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ एज ह्यूमन इंडिविजुअल्स. व्हेन दे आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस विच आर व्हाट यू वेरी इजी, बट व्हेन दिस क्वेश्चंस आर पुट टू यू सडनली बिकम नर्वस. So many UPSC has this habit. UPSC की आदत है to trap students by asking easy questions. Easiest question which you didn't see in the NCERT they will ask, क्योंकि this is one of the common, I am saying from experience. When I teach federalism, fundamental rights, these are basic topics, fundamental rights or federalism, panchayati raj and all, or any topic, judiciary, students जब एक basic question पूछते हैं, what is the qualification to become judge of Supreme Court? Getting Article 124 of the Constitution. Any basic question I ask, they answer in a very hi-fi, but not having the basic very clear. So सबसे पहले don't never think too much. First a question is asked to you, you answer. I said कि how did you come? How did you come? So you will not give a philosophical answer. Basic. I took an e-rickshaw, I took an auto, or I boarded a metro, or I took a bus, or I took a cab, or I took a private vehicle, motorbike. Basic. ये सबसे ज़्यादा मैं क्लास में witness करता हूँ. Most of the students are what you call into drowning into heavy literature, but at basics is not good. So you have to be very clear about your basics, and that UPSC, I'll give you a reason. UPSC wants students who are young. क्यों भाई? Why they want students who are young? If somebody who is 31 years old, if he joins services, then he will work only for 29 years. And for 2 years, UPSC, 18 months, UPSC will give training, spend around 15 lakh rupees, and the person will work for 20. UPSC wants students who are between 21 to 25. How will they get students who are between 21 to 25? If they start asking static questions. अगर वो स्टैटिक क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, entire country who are preparing for 3-4 years, they are more smarter than you when it comes to static question, because the same thing they are doing for 3-4 years. So now they are asking most of the questions from newspaper, because they want young minds to come and those who have common sense. Believe me, third most important thing, especially from polity and governance perspective, is newspaper. आपको, and newspaper also when you are, for example, when Sushant Singh Rajput case happened, आपको अभी example देता हूँ. So there was throughout the year there was police custody and judicial custody, news में था. Basic question यूपीएससी ने पूछा, what is police custody and judicial custody? What do you mean by what is Indian prisons? से कुछ पूछ दिया, prison को लेके issue चल रहा था. They asked the basic question when Sabrimala issue happened. They asked the question from Kottayam to Kohima, Nagaland Kohima and Kottayam Kerala. From Kottayam to Kohima, if you will come, how many states you will pass? I can give you so many other questions. For example, when you will open the NCERT, जैसे आप NCERT खोलेंगे, फर्स्ट पेज में लिखा हुआ व्हाट इज द वेस्ट टू ईस्ट बाउंड्री ऑफ इंडिया. UPSC asked a basic question, what is the west to east boundary of India, and many students made mistake. So they don't ask tough questions. You need to have very basics absolutely correct. Ab I usually teach only from the constitution. I don't teach from the secondary source. I keep it open all the time. Not all, but whenever it is required, most of the lectures I keep the constitution open, because if you have clarity from the basic test, then you will not make a mistake. तो आप सबसे पहले NCERT textbooks, basic, एकदम basic. And in NCERT, what is the beauty of NCERT textbook? When you will read them, you will think that ये मुझे आता है, I know this. And UPSC will enjoy that Mephistophelian smile by trapping you where you are strong. यूपीएससी इंजॉय करेगी, एक ऐसा बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछेगी एनसीईआरटी से जो आप गलत करेंगे, अ बेसिक क्वेश्चन दैट यू विल मेक अ मिस्टेक. फॉर एग्जांपल, UPSC will never ask you how many chairs are there in this class. UPSC, you enter every day, UPSC will ask you how many screens are put in the class. There are big screens, but you have not seen. You're getting my point. So they want those students who have common sense. So the next thing that I will strongly recommend is NCERT textbook. NCERT textbook में ये बहुत अच्छे से करना है. You have to do this very diligently. मजे में एकदम. When you will read them, most of you have done your graduation or in the graduation, you will feel कि ये मुझे आता है. No. Anything that is given, मतलब I'll share a story with you. There is a friend of mine. He is मतलब I usually learn a lot from him. Okay, we learn from everyone. We learn from even us. Anyone. Every day I'm open. I'll be a student for life. Throughout the life, I'll be a student. So he is quite junior to me, but I've learned a lot from him. He's a judge in Bihar. So when we talk about constitutional law and all, so he says ki you are too much into detail. Okay. So everyone knows that freedom of speech and expression is there in Article 19. But Article 19(1)(a), freedom of whatever you know little, but you have to be absolutely clear about what you know. There is when you talk about Sino-India relation, China-India relation, even a Panwala, you will ask, he is doing his job well. He will also answer 5 points on China-India relations. But when you talk about border dispute, you have to be absolutely precise. Western sector, middle sector, eastern sector, this many kilometers, this many skirmishes on this particular incident. This is the boundary level agreement. This is the boundary talks. Getting my point? Round of talks, boundary representative, India's national security advisor. जो भी आप जाने, ज़्यादातर whatever you know, most of the students I see in the class are having information but having little or half-baked information. कम ही जानिए पर absolute clarity रखिए. And how will you get that clarity? By going through NCERT and by going through the primary sources. By going through the primary sources. Primary source क्या है? You know primary source? जैसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, वो सोर्स जो खुद में पहला है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव लक्ष्मीकांत इज अ बुक दैट यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड. So Lakshmikant is not the primary source. If it is talking about the constitution, what is the primary source? Constitution itself is the primary source. You don't need to memorize the constitution, but at least you need to have an app handy at your disposal. So जो भी जानिए, whatever you know, you must know clear rather than knowing too many things. If you're talking about judiciary articles, मालूम होने चाहिए, clarity होनी चाहिए. Whatever you know, there must be. When you speak, anybody, 50 people are sitting in a group, all 50 will speak about judiciary. But when you speak, you bring some point and you bring to the core of clarity, then people will be impressed. In the examination, you will be communicating with the examiner through your answer script. Arey bhai, examiner doesn't know you. He doesn't know your ethnicity, religion, gender, caste, academic stream, your region, nothing he knows. Okay, he only has an answer script. You are communicating with him through an answer. So you have to impress him through your answers. So that's something that has to be developed by what you call focusing on the detail. So NCERT textbooks. Next, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने का एक तरीका होता है. देयर इज अ वे टू रीड न्यूज़पेपर. you need to carve out what is to be studied, what is not to be studied. We live, आपको मालूम है, we live in an era of bombardment of information. It is absolutely important to know what not to study rather than knowing what to स्टडी। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? ये इंपॉर्टेंट है जानना, क्या नहीं पढ़ना है उससे ज्यादा जरूरी है जानना क्या पढ़ना है, उससे ज्यादा जरूरी जानना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है। एवरी सिंगल डे somebody will suggest you a book, you should have confidence on you कि what I am studying is good, I will not change too many sources। अब न्यूज़पेपर जो है, न्यूज़पेपर में many things are not to be studied, first thing। Second important thing, newspaper just give you, for example newspaper में time and again they are mentioning about anything G20 or they are mentioning about Supreme Court। So if they are mentioning about it, you will do some internet search by yourself। Many questions, a lot of questions UPSC is asking which is going throughout the year, but they are not asking exactly what is given in the newspaper but some background। सो न्यूज़पेपर में जो चीजें बार बार आ रही हैं, वॉट एवर इज अपियरिंग इन न्यूज़पेपर टाइम एंड अगेन, यू विल डू सम बेसिक, यू विल डू सम बेसिक सर्च अबाउट। जैसे न्यूज आई भाई कि 17th लोकसभा जो अभी खत्म हुई, नाउ वी हैव 18th लोकसभा, 17 लोकसभा में देयर वाज नो डेप्यूटी स्पीकर। ये न्यूज बार बार आई, there was no deputy speaker in 17। UPSC has a question in prelims, according to rules of procedure and conduct of business of Lok Sabha, the date of election of deputy speaker is decided by speaker। So जो न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हैं आपको खुला रखना है दिमाग। आप, I'll tell you who will qualify। ऐसे तो I am no prophetic, I can just make a guess, okay, from the wisdom, but just you are traveling from here to Nehru Vihar, Gandhi Vihar every day। Those student who will notice what is there on both the sides, आप रोज आते हैं, you come every day, but if I ask you that where is that shop, where is that, so common sense is something which is too required and don't think too much। ज्यादा यू डोंट नीड टू थिंक टू मच। पहले बेसिक्स जो है उसको क्लियर कीजिए। न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते वक्त वॉट एवर टर्म्स आर रिपीटिंग टाइम एंड अगेन, यू विल यूज इंटरनेट जुडिशियसली। जुडिशियल कस्टडी आ रहा है, पुलिस कस्टडी आ रहा है, G20 आ रहा है, फंडामेंटल राइट्स आ रहा है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट और एनी रूल्स ऑफ प्रोसीजर, एनीथिंग दैट इज कंसिस्टेंटली अपीयरिंग इन न्यूज़पेपर, you will make a small insight, make a small search on internet from you also। So newspaper, अब newspaper में after what you call Australia, New Zealand, what you call India, Pakistan, Argentina, United Kingdom, or for that matter, all the in newspaper of all the biggest Manchester United or Liverpool, the biggest rivalries in the world is equal to Indian Express versus Hindu। The student asked whether Indian Express versus Hindu। So अब क्या है दोनों न्यूज़पेपर, व्हाट इज द फैक्टर ऑफ बोथ द न्यूज़पेपर, आई टेल यू। देखिए हिंदू जो है इट इज प्योरली एन एकेडमिक, आई एम रीडिंग हिंदू, माय फ्रेंड्स टीज मी लिटरली, दे फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन ही ऑलवेज टीजेस मी कि तू हिंदू नहीं छोड़ेगा पढ़ना, सो यू ऑलवेज रीड हिंदू। इट इज about your interest and something। I'll tell you what is Hindu। Hindu is a pure academic newspaper। सबसे पहले हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर इज वेरी वेरी ब्रीफ, इट इज नॉट वॉल्यूमिनस लाइक टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया और इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकंड थिंग, हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर विल नॉट राइट अ सिंगल अल्फाबेट which is extra। Getting my point? If there is an Australian European and Asian plate are here, so if even if they separate, you know, European and Asian plate are logged like this, that is why you have so many tremors and earthquakes in Himalayas, and there are frequent earthquakes in Nepal। So even if they separate, Hindu will give a corner news that Eurasian plate separated, China no more। Getting my point? So they will not like other newspaper where they will exaggerate the news। Why it is boring? Because they don't write a single word which is not, they will never increase the font, they will never increase the font that return back to power this government, they will keep it very very precise and what is required। So those people who like in that way, they do। Indian Express, when I was in college some 13 years back, okay, Indian Express ne kya kiya, they understood that there is a big crowd that is preparing for UPSC, they have reoriented themselves to UPSC। What they are doing, mains mein what all topics are there, they give topic wise explained, which Hindu has also started giving। So they are actually targeting students who are preparing for mains, so they actually give a page which is exactly similar to the syllabus in UPSC। So they are, because commerce is an important aspect, so they are also targeting or reorienting themselves to meet the demands of students who are preparing for civil services। It is purely an interest, what can be done, both the, you want to ask a question? Okay, so what can be done, both the students who those who are liking Hindu and those who like Indian Express, both the newspapers are equally good। At best आपको क्या करना चाहिए, you like one paper, you study, you keep in touch with your friend, that if you're reading Hindu, Indian Express में कभी कभी या हिंदू में कभी, मतलब whenever there is a good article you will read that, you will not try to make yourself too rigid, you will not try to make yourself too rigid। I am reading Hindu, but I'll communicate to my friend that if there is a good article in Indian Express, please share that with me। Believe me, time is always less। मैं हमेशा कहता हूं, जनवरी कसम से सालों से कह रहा हूं, फॉर इयर्स आई एम सेइंग दिस. जनवरी आई से टाइम इज ऑलवेज लेस, एंड आई जून ऑल्सो आई से, एंड जनवरी दिस द बिकॉज द अर्थ नेवर स्टॉप्स टू रोटेट. Even if we are talking, earth is moving from west to east. The I when somebody says I'm feeling, if you are not feeling well, you study 2-3 days, you take an off, chill yourself, come back, but realize the importance of time. So newspaper में whichever newspaper you like, Hindu or Indian Express, दोनों. Hindu is more of an academic newspaper, especially articles are very rich, but too rich articles are also not required because आपके पास space नहीं है. UPSC is giving you limited space to write an answer in 150 and 250 words. You will realize when you start writing answer for mains, ज़्यादा intelligence का scope ही नहीं है. Previously, before 2015 or 16, they used to give you answer script. जितना लिखना है लिखो. Whatever you want, you write. Now they are not giving, they are giving you designated space. You have to write an answer within that space. So you do not have the space to exhibit your opulence or knowledge. Limited space there hai, you will write too intellectual, the page will end. So you have to be very precise. Second, okay, so that is something which is important. Newspaper पढ़ते वक्त, the art of reading newspaper, that is itself a very very big art. That what is not to be studied, आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि बिल्कुल मेरे काम का नहीं है. Not to be studied, and what is appearing, how to interpret that. I'll give you a reason. UPSC has this brutal habit of asking interdisciplinary question. 2 years back on 15th August, there was something that happened in Afghanistan, regime change and all. So हुआ, UPSC will never ask you on which day it happened. जैसे regime change हुआ, so many videos came which were मतलब that were heart wrenching, very painful. People are getting dropped from the aeroplane and all. UPSC previously, on anything, anybody who has little intelligence will say that UPSC will ask a map question from Afghanistan. Issue हुआ अफगानिस्तान में, the refugees, they will not fly in troposphere. Refugees will go to all those countries that share border with Afghanistan. Next year UPSC asked a question, how many countries Afghanistan share border with? So ये जानना कि who is the chief of government over there, on which day they came to power, which city they have taken, what is the kind of administration they have run, इससे UPSC को interest नहीं है. You are posted there as a civil servant, diplomat. You have the duty to keep in, all the Indians must be securely making an exit from Afghanistan. So you must know what are the land boundaries with which Afghanistan shares border. अब ये this West Asia में कुछ हुआ, they asked the geography question. UPSC has this brutal habit of asking a geography question when there is a polity issue. You have Sabarimala, so they asked the question from Kottayam to Kohima, how many states you will travel while traveling, minimum how many states you will take to travel to this place. So अब कुछ भी हो रहा है, for example there is a war going on Ukraine and Russia, then you must know about the geographical aspect. So newspaper पढ़ते वक्त you must know कि इससे हमें क्या लेना है. You know, you should always be alert rather than enjoying the newspaper. Okay, this politician said something. We are human beings. We like to know more. We like to know more. If I will say कि I will tell you an interesting story, you will become very happy. If I will say I will tell you a secret, you will become, because we like to know more. We are inquisitive by nature. If two people, if you will write in the answer script that there is an interesting story about a boy in a village, ऐसे लिख के if you leave and then you will not write anything, the examiner will be so excited that he will go and share with his family members. I don't know what he wanted to say, maybe he was running short of time. So हम लोग, इंसान लोग inquisitive होते हैं nature से. We are inquisitive by nature. If something that is of no concern to you, still somebody said ki let me share a secret about him, you will be happy to know. So what happened when you read something, as an intelligent mind you start enjoying that thing. So in UPSC, there is a brutal difference between academics and UPSC. That is why most of the academic students don't make it. Yahan you should not enjoy things which are of your interest. You should enjoy things which are necessary for UPSC. आपको मजा आएगा बहुत सी किताबें पढ़ने में. You will enjoy reading many books. But UPSC, I see engineers coming to the class. I see, and friends also. Engineers coming to the class, they assassinate. They are least concerned with what is interest and what is not interest. They are given a syllabus, उसको लेते हैं, dissect करते हैं. Minimum smart work से they qualify with more. Because an humanities student, he or she will buy a book from first page to last page. He will think that I bought a book from hard-earned money of my father. I will study from first page to last page. पूरा पढ़ें, कुछ फायदा नहीं है. So you have to be smart rather than getting my point, and that is something where you need to know कि इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं. It is most important to know what not to study rather than what to study. So ये सब you will learn by देखिए UPSC की तैयारी ad hoc नहीं होती है.
Ad hoc tayari, there is no ad hoc preparation. You must engrossed in UPSC for 1-2 years, then only you will make it. So if when you are engrossed gradually by your own mistakes, you will start learning, and classroom program will of course enrich you like anything. So that is something which is there. Okay, so newspaper, previous year's question paper. Okay, now over the period of time, some websites have originated. Some websites have originated over the period of time. कि भाई many of the websites like PRS, SC Observer, then there are Press Information Bureau, and all, too many facts are not required anymore. So for example, PRS Legislative, for example, SC Observer. So there are some websites that you should what you call visit. Use internet judiciously. I remember 10-15 years back there was a topper, 13 or 14 years back, he was visiting Delhi University. That time he said that I used internet judiciously. So this is somewhere around 14 years back, the person was using internet. Internet is a double-edged sword. उसी छुरी से हाथ भी काटा जा सकता है और उसी छुरी से फल भी काटा जा सकता है. With the same knife, you can cut hand and you can also cut a fruit. So internet is a double-edged sword. Social media, Instagram, Facebook, X, you will enjoy as a human mind. But with them, so you should not, too much of everything is bad. So this is something which is there. Make a plan of yourself. Be mentally more strong. So many mails I receive, so many mails I receive, young minds, कितने सारे issues हैं, personal issues, this issue. थोड़ा सा इसमें mental agility की ज़रूरत है. Understand the demand of the exam. Paste the buy all the NCRTs, paste the syllabus at your workstation, get a newspaper, start reading, and most importantly, 2 things. Again, I will say, first you need to be consistent. Second, you need to understand the demand of exam. 2 चीज हो गया तो काम हो जाएगा. Art of writing answer, on the website of Vision IAS you will find the answer scripts of toppers. You need to do PhD on that. Then you will understand. There's a friend of mine, he's a Manipur cadre IPS, very good guy. He always used to say, Amil bhai, I went through the answer scripts of toppers so many times. So this is myth. Years back, and then I learned. So you must learn from your predecessors, and you will be a source of wisdom for your successors. So that is something previous years. Art of writing answer is a very important thing. क्योंकि भाई the examiner doesn't know you. You are trying to impress the examiner by your answer script. That is the source of communication between you and examiner. So you must impress him from the whatever you write, it must be absolutely precise. And you are no Einstein. Every human individual who is qualifying is not something extraordinary mind. You will learn from the predecessors or the seniors, the answer scripts that are updated on the Vision IAS website, or the answer scripts that are available wherever you get. So you will read and you will learn the art of writing an answer. Okay, and again, I will be taking questions from you because I don't want related to polity. I just emphasize that you need to, 1, NCERT textbooks, Vision IAS printed material we recommend. Lakshmikant is a, first of all, Lakshmikant is not a textbook. It is a notes. It's a wonderful compilation of notes because there is no academic work. Things are given in a notes manner, in a very precise, but over the period of time, UPSC is asking questions which are more means oriented. Jaise, how secularism is, for that matter, what France can learn from Indian secularism. So in Lakshmikant, you will get what is secularism, but what France can learn from Indian secularism, you will not have. How cultural, when Sabrimala judgment was delivered, UPSC asked a question, how our cultural practices are being challenged in the name of secularism. हमारी कल्चरल प्रैक्टिस, सांस्कृतिक सभ्यता को सेक्युलरिज्म के नाम पर कैसे चैलेंज किया जा रहा है. सो यूपीएससी इज आस्किंग प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन. लक्ष्मीकांत अनडाउटेडली इज अ वेरी गुड टेक्स्ट बुक. इट इज अ compilation of notes, basic idea it will give, but without an iota of doubt when it comes to mains, you can just download the question paper and you will see that it is not suffice for mains. First, second, even for prelims from 21 to 23 questions were not there. Okay, so it's a wonderful book to get a basic idea, that basic understanding of the constitution, but I can say with uttermost sincerity that it is not enough. And I don't even need to say that. You'll go through previous year's question paper of last 5 years, you'll get an answer by yourself, that how many questions from that topic is there. Undoubtedly, it is a basic textbook, which is wonderful. So now that is something which is there. With respect to that, I have mentioned everything. So you need to make consistency on all such things. I don't want to stretch more. Okay. So if you have any question, I'll answer and then we will, what you call, wrap up the conversation. कुछ पूछना है आप लोगों को? पूछिए, जो भी है अपना चिल करके पूछिए. हाँ, मेंस ओरिएंटेड. बाबू एक बात बताइए, कैसे कोई स्टैंडर्ड बुक आएगी? हाउ विल देयर बी अ स्टैंडर्ड बुक फ्रॉम मेंस ओरिएंटेड? बिकॉज क्वेश्चंस आर डायनेमिक इन nature. First, you will hai standard textbook hai. For example, there are conventional issues of RPA, historical underpinnings topic hai, ya judiciary. Basics you will get from same text, Vision IS material and all you will get. But the questions that are being asked are dynamic in nature. If they're asking 15, what are the recommendations of 15 Finance Commission? Next time they will ask 16 Finance Commission. They are asking a question, how our cultural practices are being challenged in the name of secularism. They are asking a question, what France can learn from Indian secularism. They are asking a question, how globalization is affecting old age population. They are asking a question, what Indus Valley civilization can teach us in our town planning. So they are asking a question which are not generic in nature, which are dynamic, which you have to think in the examination hall. So undoubtedly means Vision IS printed material is there. Polity as such, Lakshmikant will give you a basic idea about the things, but newspaper is something and the dynamic, ये आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. And this actually, you are what's your name? Okay, he is asking a question which is actually a very intelligent question. ये common doubt है कि भाई मेंस के लिए कौन सी किताब? This is a very common doubt that means के लिए कौन सी किताब? You see the question, you will get your answer. Most of the questions are dynamic in nature. Other than the questions that are textbook that are prescribed for prelims, जैसे जो भी Vision IS material या Lakshmikant whatever you are doing, उसके बाद it will come the role of newspaper, and it is absolutely false to say that there is one source. Little bit you will learn from second ARC recommendations brief, little bit you will learn from newspaper, little bit you will learn from latest judgment, little bit you will learn from current affairs, little bit you will learn from any website, little bit you will learn from any government report that is coming, little bit you will learn from department related standing committee के recommendations क्या है. ये तैयारी engrossed रखेगी सालों भर. It will keep you engrossed throughout the year. So it is wrong to say that there is one standard textbook. हाँ, history में you can say, geography में you can say, because the earth is not moving at that pace that it will change while you prepare. Okay, they can say, but you cannot say that in polity and governance, especially in governance. Polity to chalo, you will get by attending the classes and all, you will get a very sound constitutional framework. That's fine. It's getting my point. So basic is there, but always newspaper will be something. Basic to jo book aap recommend kar rahe wahi, but there are so many varied sources that also you need to go through. Ab elections hai, 50 topic hai, simultaneous holding of elections, none of the above, electronic voting machines, voter verifiable paper audit trial, paper VVPAT, then you have criminalization of politics, then you have electoral bonds, then you have Association for Democratic Reforms case, then you have disqualification, then you have issues related to the EVM, whatever doubts or whatever issues are there, credibility of Election Commission of India, then you have issues like simultaneous holding of elections, exit poll, opinion poll, then you have issues like model code of conduct, then you have कितने सारे dynamic issues हैं elections के. Getting my point? So अब ये issues तो नए नए आएंगे ही. New issues will come. Constitutional provisions, new. So you have to read the newspaper very very diligently. कोई एक book आप बताइए. If there is only one day, this is something which we were doing in school. क्या होता था स्कूल में? The teacher used to give us 2 chapters. We used to memorize that and we used to get 87, 94. But here you have to work hard, make an effort and find out the areas from where you will be communicated in the class. In general, reading newspaper, having a solid foundational constitutional understanding, reading newspaper, going through certain sources, and most importantly, you will attempt questions, mains questions. You will attempt test series, mains का आप test series कीजिएगा, आपको खुद पता चलेगा what is in news. You will by yourself know what is in news. You'll get feedback. And then what is lacking, where have you not studied? Okay, this is you. Internet also of course is there, but internet is a very very dangerous thing. You will start at 10 p.m. to read something about an article on judiciary, and at 3 a.m. in the morning you will leave up Instagram. Okay, so you have to be very very, ये आपको खुद decide करना है. Getting my point? Because this is your age and you know that. Any other question? हाँ, बाबू. Newspaper, one of the very common. सुनिए. Should we make news from the notes from the newspaper? Purely personal hai. First, it is wrong to say that no, it is wrong to say that yes. Kyun? UPSC doesn't ask questions like SSC and state PSC. Who became the president of Brazil? When did the war start between Russia and Ukraine? What is the length of kilometers that India share boundary with Bangladesh? How many states are there in India? What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? ऐसा question UPSC नहीं पूछती है. So while going through the current affairs, why, when, what, these questions UPSC doesn't ask. So month का current affairs बनाना, I feel is not good. Why? Because month के current affairs से UPSC is not asking GK, UPSC is asking GS. UPSC is not asking GK, it is asking GS. So month wise, topic wise you will make. Federalism in India, Office of Governor, University Grant Commission, Secularism in India, Supreme Court, Collegium, issues related to election, criminalization of politics, the debate related to private property nationalization, the issues related to the what you call the urbanization in India, the issues related to what you call fundamental rights, issues related to right to privacy, issues related to right to marry the same person of your gender, issues related to secularism, issues related to Sabrimala. Topic wise notes बनाना है ना कि महीने वाइज, because questions are not coming month wise, questions are coming topic wise, especially in mains. So I will answer him that you will make topic wise kuch अच्छे articles which are appearing in newspaper, you will make your A4 sheet. Why? Because in between you can add something. If you are using A4 sheet, you are using a register, then you will add something with small. You are using an A4 sheet, उसमें जब मन किया you will add. So you have to you spend so much money, hard earned money of your parents. You stationery, I strongly feel you should always spend money, because already you are spending such hard earned money of your parents. Little bit things should not spoil your preparation. You should have good files, you should have A4 sheet, you should have pens, and then you put that topic wise. Us topic mein if there is a movement, you will add something. Mahine wise likhne ki zarurat nahi hai. You read newspaper every day, read an article, 2 points you get, you write. Too many things not required. The more succinct, the more precise it is, it will be helpful to you. So ज़्यादा नहीं लिखना है what, when, how, कौन प्रेसिडेंट बना, कौन क्या बना. If there is a topic that is appearing, what all topics are going on. अब elections हुआ तो चलो simultaneous holding of elections in India. Elections हुआ तो issue related to EVM. Elections हुआ तो criminalization of politics. Election हुआ तो there is an issue going on Article 39 B and C judiciary. यही issue चला है. If there is a what you call issue related to OBC Article 342A. You're getting my point. So rather than going month wise, you will go to the topic wise. Month wise you will get from Vision IS material, that is monthly compilation. That's wonderful. Article may you will be excited, there will be 1250 words. Of course you are an intelligent person, you will enjoy reading that article, but everything is not to be written. You must learn the art of being precise. So 1200 पेज है तो मैं कैसे उससे 30 वर्ड निकालूंगा और 100, how will I take 30 words or 100 words out of it? So because too much information is not required, so you can make that way. Okay, that is, and nothing is hard and fast. I will not say don't make notes. I will neither say make notes. You consistently, whenever you feel something which has to be written, jisko store karna hai, then you do that. Don't make it a habit that every day I will get up. In many exams they make notes, because that is not going, because that was a habit when there were no current affairs compilation before many years. Now there are democratization of knowledge has taken place. You have access to the best of knowledge. So there is no need to make that monthly compilation. Okay, anybody else? कुछ पूछना है क्वेश्चन? हाँ पूछिए. हाँ. Okay. Okay. So this is also one of the common question. Ki if the student has notes as well as the standard textbook, okay. So and current affairs. So whether the standard textbook with replace the notes, I am speaking in Hindi, क्या जो स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक है वो नोट्स को रिप्लेस कर सकती है या दोनों को पढ़ना जरूरी है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इज इट नेसेसरी टू रीड द स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक एज वेल एज नोट्स? यू आर आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी इज अटेंडिंग क्लास, सो शी इज नोटिंग डाउन एवरीथिंग, एंड द सेम थिंग इज ऑल्सो गिवन इन Lakshmikant. This is one of the common question when I dictate in the class. I will not answer in a conventional way. मैं सच बताऊंगा क्योंकि I am teaching. I know. In any institute on earth, the limited time that we have, we teach everything. Is it possible for us to dictate everything? Just see the chapter of president. Article 52, there shall be a president of India. Article 54, electoral college of president. Article 61, impeachment of president. Ab agar, if I will say what is the qualification to become president, he must be a citizen of India. He must be of 35 years of age. He must be qualified to be a member of Lok Sabha. He must not hold an office of profit other than the office of president, vice president, governor, minister at the union, at the state. अब मैं 10 उसके क्वालिफिकेशन लिखवाऊंगा. Then I will write all those things which are basic and which are given in the textbook. For one 3-hour class, I will only do topic which is 1/10 of or 1/5 of what I would have done. So what you need to do? Usually we dictate. Usually what dictate? But you are also provided Vision IS printed material. So what we will do? Some places where it is necessary, where something which is not given in the book. I have whatever little knowledge I have gained. I have also gained over the years. 15 years or whatever years. So whatever since college, so whatever knowledge, I also don't remember how many sources. Every day we refer, we study no less than students. How can I afford to be reluctant? Because I am also teaching, I must read every day. So it is not those things which you will not get in any book. Those things which are given said by a Western scholar, those things which are coming from an article, wo I will dictate, and some basics also. Sometimes it will be said कि आप book को refer कीजिए. So standard textbook, when you will go through the notes, okay, things would be there, but some point of time you will be asked to refer the printed material or the textbook, standard textbook. मैं बोल रहा हूं कोई भी स्टैंडर्ड आंसर, इट इज रॉन्ग टू से दैट यू डू एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक, देन यू विल मिस करंट अफेयर्स. In every lecture, governor पढ़ा रहे हैं तो what I used to teach in 2016 and what I am teaching in today, if I will open the synopsis on left and right, you will be surprised. ऐसा लगेगा दूसरा ही टॉपिक पढ़ा रहे हैं, something different. What I used to teach in 2016, what I am teaching in 2024 is entirely different, because so many new things have happen. Article 200, approval of bills, University Grant Commission, appointment of vice chancellors, difference between Council of Ministers and governor, then the governor's address to the state legislative assembly, appointment of minister, dismissal of minister, reappointment of minister, or how the ministers will be appointed, then the governor's role in president rule. Jo topic president rule wala topic we used to teach a lot, now we are teaching different. Commonly you will see there is difference between governor and council of मिनिस्टर्स. सो जो टॉपिक हम पढ़ा रहे थे आज वही टॉपिक कंप्लीटली चेंज हो चुका है. दैट टॉपिक हैज कंप्लीटली चेंज. सो वी ट्राई टू गिव यू डायनेमिक इंटरप्रिटेशंस फ्रॉम करंट अफेयर्स. दैट इज समथिंग विच यू विल डू फ्रॉम द नोट्स, बट यू विल ऑल्सो refer the, I'll say in between that you need to refer to the standard textbook, because these 7 points I'll dictate, it will take half an hour for something that is already given in the textbook. We will explain, but I will refer. So thoda sa integrate karke, but notes by and large, although I say you refer, literally I'm saying honestly, I say that you refer it from the notes, but and the textbook, but students usually say that everything is being dictated. Okay, but it is wrong to commit that everything will be dictated, otherwise the class, polity class itself would be of 6 months. You're getting my, or 2 months or 1 month, getting my, 1 month of course it is there, matlab more, it will stretch a bit more. So we aisa ki we will teach everything in the class, and in the material at times we will recommend कि इसको mark कर लीजिए, material में देखिए. Some teams in the material is regularly updated. Okay, some things which I feel that you add this, that I will say. My job here is not to give you fish. मैं अब अगर आपको मछली दूंगा, you will eat for a day. मैं अक्सर बोलता हूँ, अगर मैं आपको, if I'll give you fish, you will eat for a day. My job here is to teach you fishing so that I feed you for lifetime. सो मेरा काम नहीं है आपको सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन दे देना और कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा आया तो आप ब्लैंक हो गए. माई जॉब इज नॉट टू गिव यू इंफॉर्मेशन एंड समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा कम्स, यू विल टर्न ब्लैंक. माई जॉब इज टू self empower you, that even if I am not there, even there is an unpredictable question, even if you are studying at night alone, even if there is no source with you, you must know what is to be studied and what decisions have to be taken. So I always emphasize that you should be empowered. Otherwise information I'll dictate from today till 7 days. I'll provide you so much literature that is enough to fill all the 7 oceans. So no, मेरा job है आपके दिमाग को खोलना. That what is the aptitude, आपको self empower करना, because ultimately it is you who is going to qualify. So correct answer would be class notes is there, but sometimes we will also ask you to refer to the standard textbook. और newspaper की अलग से class होती है इसकी current affairs की. आज morning में class थी मेरी, today morning only I was taking polity and governance class of current affairs. So every month we have a separate class on polity. All the subjects, सारे subject की current affairs की class होती है. current affairs classes मतलब major subjects की current affairs की class होती है. all the major subjects की separate. So any other question you have? पूछिए, कोई question है? ठीक है. सो वी आर रैपिंग अप द कॉन्वर्सेशन. ओके, जस्ट बी एट ईज, टेंशन नहीं लेना है. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि एग्जाम में 2 चीजें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. पहला कंसिस्टेंसी, सेकंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग द डिमांड ऑफ एग्जाम. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर ब्लाइंडली फॉलोइंग, कुछ बुक खरीद लिया, पढ़ नहीं. सिट डाउन, स्पेंड टाइम विथ योर सेल्फ, बी कंसिस्टेंट, मेंटली बी एजाइल. फेजेस आएंगे जहां आप लो होंगे, देयर विल बी फेजेस यू विल लो. इट इज समथिंग दैट इज अ सेल्फ बैटल. यू विल हैव गुड फ्रेंड्स, you will maybe you will at times relax yourself, but don't take too much stress, because there are many things which are beyond your reach. You can also give your best and you will get the best of result. Okay, so just these things you must follow. So we are wrapping up the conversation for now. Thank you.